Hi, I'm Ash.
And I'm Amanda. And this is Vanna White, our 2024 Geotrek Sprinter Albatross.
Yeah, let's go take a look. So up front here, we added a rug. We have our Geotrek bench here, but we added custom cushions that we made. And then we added this kick up here. So it's a 300-pound capacity, so we could either put our feet up here when we're sitting in the swivel, or we could sit side by side in the bench. And these are all of the national parks we've been to. And so we put all our magnets right here on our fridge.
Moving to the back, we have the bamboo sink cover, and we got the spice rack so that we can store our vitamins, our toothbrushes, all of our nighttime stuff. Under here we store all of our cookware, plates and bowls, and cutting board.
Some of our additions up front is a headliner shelf here with a Van Camp excess panel, and then we have our curtain, all-weather, thermal, and then magnetizes.
We also added the bump out so that we can sleep east-west, so we can sit up and read using our little reading lights at night.
We also upgraded our EcoFlow system because traditionally it comes with a 4 kilowatt, but we upgraded to a 6. So we can just be off-grid for a little bit longer. And so far it's been like 5 days or so it's really nice.
And this is our favorite part of the van. It's the garage. We can keep all of our toys in here. Right now we have both of our fold-down e-bikes. We have a pull-out tray. We keep our hiking gear, an extra tent and sleeping bag. And then we have the van essential organizers where we can take a shower. We have our hot water heater and outdoor shower here. We can connect a curtain, and all of our shampoo and everything is just accessible there.
We also added the side steps and the BF Goodrich KO3 tires and the rims. And then another part of our van is we actually opt in for the side ladder, so we could climb up in the winter and get all our solar panels real nice and clean. All right, that wraps up our tour. Thanks for checking out our Geotrek Albatross.
If you have any questions or comments, place them below.